Uy, what's up mga ka-cuties? Today we're gonna learn about angles.
Huh? What are angles? You don't know angles? Don't worry, I'll teach you. Here are the drills that you need to achieve after the lesson. Number 1, define what are angles. Number 2, differentiate the types of angles. And number 3, solve for the value of measurement of an angle with the given expression. Angles are geometric figures that are made up of two non-collinear rays, and they share a common endpoint known as vertex. They usually measure up to 0 to 360 degrees. Angles are typically named using 3 points, the vertex being listed in the middle. Rays extending from point A to AB and AC. You would name this angle as BAC. Now, let's move on to the types of angles. Obtuse angle, it measures more than 90 degrees but less than 180. It is wider than a right angle but narrower than a straight line. Acute angle, it measures more than 0 degrees but less than 90. It is like a small size of pizza. Right angle, it measures exactly 90 degrees. It forms the corner of a square or a rectangle. Now, let's move on. Huh? What if ayoko? Let's move on to solving a measurement of an angle with a given expression. Step 1. Place the center of the protractor at the vertex, or the point where the two lines of an angle meet. 2. Align the baseline of the protractor with one of the lines of the angle. Step 3. Read the number where the other line of the angle intersects with the protractor scale.
Huh? What is she doing? Hey, Neve!
Oops, sorry. Anyways, to continue with our discussion, step 4. Necessary, subtract this number from 180 if it's obtuse, or subtract from 360 if it's obtuse, to find the measurement of the angle. Now we're going to solve some equations. Here's an equation involving a right angle. The equation is 2x plus 10 equals 90. The measure is 90 because the right angle is 90 degrees. So we have to apply Jackson's property of equality. 90 minus 10 is 2x equals 80, so we have to divide by 2, x equals 40. This is an equation using an obtuse angle. So let's assume the measure is 135 degrees. So 2x plus 25 equals 135. You have to apply Jackson's property of equality. 2x plus 35 minus 35. Multiply minus 35. So you have to divide by 2 x equals 40. Equation is an acute angle. So let's assume that the measure is 60 degrees. 3x plus 15 is 60. So we have to apply subtraction property of equality. So 60 minus 10 is 60 minus 15 is 45. 3x equals 45. Divided by 3 is x equals 15.
Activity time!
For the power of them, we prepared a simple activity just for you. You can put your answer in the comment section down below.
That's all for today's video. Make sure to watch the next video to learn more about angles. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe.